Hi, this is Supreet and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the most popular and the most one of the costliest games in the world, that is GTA, the Grand Theft Autos gaming series, which were included with GTA 5, GTA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, GTA Vice City, GTA Liberty City, etc. and a lot more. And that was produced by Rockstar Games, and we'll discuss further. So let's start the video. Okay, so first let's talk about the locations. That is GTA Grand Theft Auto, the GTA 1, which was released in 1997, and that was shot in Liberty City, San Andreas, and Vice City. Like, they are not the games, they are the cities. And the second is Grand Theft Auto London 1969 and London 1961, which was shot in London and Manchester. And next is GTA 2, that was unknown actually. And next is GTA Vice City, that was shot in Vice City itself. And next is GTA San Andreas, that was shot in Los Santos, San Fierro. And next is Las Ventures. And next is Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories, that was shot in again in Liberty City. And Grand Theft Auto Vice City Stories, that was again in Vice City. And Grand Theft Auto 4, that was again in Liberty City. And okay, and now let's talk about the release dates of all these games, like from GTA 1 to GTA 5 and all. So the first ever GTA game, that is Grand Theft Auto 1, which was released on 21st October 1998. That was, and the second one was Grand Theft Auto London 1969, that was, and they released on 31st March 1999. And the third one was GTA Grand Theft Auto London 1961. Actually, you can call this as a part 2 of that second game, and which was released in 1st June 1999. And the next was a special game that was a lot improved graphics, that was GTA 3, that almost looked like Vice City but maps were different. That was released on 22nd October and to the 22nd October 2001. And next comes the legendary game of all time, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, that was released on 29th October 2002. And also there were some new upgradations of these games, which you can find instead of these cars you can find some Rolls-Royce cars and Audi cars, etc., with those renames. And next, okay, there comes GTA San Andreas, which was released on 26th October 2004. And that comes GTA Advance. Oh, this was a normal game. Looks like this was not so popular. Even many people didn't know. Yeah, I too didn't know. 26th October 2004 was the release date. And next comes GTA Liberty City Stories, that was released on 24th October 2005 with a lot improved graphics, which could run on any nowadays we can run easily these kind of games. And to run a Vice City it needs just 128 MB RAM and 1 GB storage nowadays. And next comes GTA Vice City Stories, that was released on 31st October 2006. That was actually a map was a lot different and improved. And next comes Grand Theft Auto 4, it was GTA 4 with a lot better graphics than before ones, which needs a better graphics card to run. And that release date was 29th April 2008. And next comes GTA 4, The Lost of the Demand. This was a kind of parts of that GTA 4, which was released on 17th February 2009. And next comes this is a special edition game, which is GTA Grand Theft Auto Chinatown Wars, which was released on 17th March 2009. And next comes Grand Theft Auto The Ballad of the Gay Townie, which was released on these all games were not so popular in the original state, and these games didn't have so better graphics. They were very normal, and the previous game, this China Towns, was looking almost like GTA 2, all the top camera view. Okay, that GTA 2, the Ballad of the Gay Tony, was released on 29th October 2009. And next comes the biggest in the business, Grand Theft Auto 5, which was released on 17th September 2013, and we can call this as the most heavy games, which had a 65 GB of setup. I think that was 72 GB setup, and obviously it needs a better graphics card to run this, and obviously I can't run on my system, which is not so powerful, I can call it. And next is GTA Online, we can call, and this is 1st October 2013 release, a normal game. And okay, and let's talk about the GTA 6, the updates and news about the GTA 6. And okay, let's talk about the most important thing to play a game for everyone, the system requirements. Okay, if you have a 4 GB RAM, don't even think of playing it. At least you will need 8 to 16 GB of RAM. Recommended is 12 GB or etc. And the processor, at least in Intel, we need some i5, no i5, or better be i7, and the size of the game is going to be literally 150 GB. No, the setup is only 150 GB, and if it's installed, the game may be about 200 GB, and 1,000 times better graphics than GTA 5, and it's maybe releasing on, no, it's releasing on 2002, and the date is not so confirmed. Okay, so that was the video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment. We want to see how you reacted with this video. So thank you for watching.
सर कैमरा चालू हो गया है।
ओ, कट करो ना।